December 26, 1933 49 Statute 3097 Treaty Series 881, Convention on Rights and Duties of States, stated Congress replace statutes with international law, placing all states under international law. December 9, 1945 International Organization Immunities Act relinquished every public office of the United States to the United Nations. 22 CFR 9.2.1.2.3.1 Father heading Foreign Relationship states that an oath is required to take office. Title 8 U.S.C. 1481 stated once an oath of office is taken, citizenship is relinquished, thus you become a foreign entity, agency, or state. That means every public office is a foreign state, including all political subdivisions. That is, every single court is considered a separate foreign entity. Title 22 U.S.C. Foreign Relations and Intercourse, Chapter 11 identifies all public officials as foreign agents. Title 28 U.S.C. 3002 Section 15 states that the United States is a federal corporation and not a government, including the Judiciary Procedural Section. Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, FRCP, 4J states that the court jurisdiction and immunity fall under a foreign state. The 11th Amendment states the judicial power of the United States shall not be construed to extend to any suit in law or equity, commenced or prosecuted against one of the United States by citizens of another state, or by citizens or subjects of an foreign state. A foreign entity, agency, or state cannot bring any suit against a United States citizen without abiding the following procedure. Title 22 CFR 9.3.1.9.3.2 states that the Department of State has to be notified of any suit, and in turn has to notify the United States citizen of said suit. Title 28 U.S.C. 1330 states that the United States District Court has to grant permission for the suit to be pursued once the court has been supplied sufficient proof that the United States citizen is actually a corporate entity. Title 28 U.S.C. 1608 I have absolute immunity as a corporation. Title 28 U.S.C. 1602-1611, Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, allows the jurisdiction of a court to be challenged, and a demand of proper jurisdiction to be stated. July 27, 1868 15 Statutes at Large Chapter 249 Section 1 Acts concerning American citizens in a foreign state. Expatriation is what is broken when jurisdiction is demanded, and it is not met with an answer. Under the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure 12b-6, the prosecution has failed to provide adequate proof that the parties involved in this situation are actually corporate entities. I have provided ample proof that the prosecution and other agents are actually corporations. 1950 81st Congress investigated the Lawyers Guild and determined that the BAR Association is founded and run by communists under definition. Thus any elected official that is a member of the BAR will only be loyal to the BAR and not the people. Check it out for yourselves, then when you see the truth then pass it on. We can and must not fail to inform our fellow American citizens. What this means is since 1933 our elected officials and our country have been given to United Nations government system. After a lot of research I have found that by our elected officials passing legislation without even looking at all attachments within each bill they have slowly given our country over to the United Nations. This is why under EBMA Senator Bill 2433, the Poverty Act of 2007, the UN military forces can come into our country, take our weapons away, and with the Bush admin Attorney General Ashcroft and Haliburton have established concentration camps for citizens that refuse a one world order. This is also why many of us for many years have been trying to get term limits and other legislation requiring our government to give a minimum of 30 days to read and vote on each individual bill and authority to do single-line item veto. Well, here we are. We were asleep. How does it feel waking up in a socialist country that is heading to communism? The strongest reason for people to retain the right to keep and bear arms is, as a last resort, to protect themselves against tyranny and government. Thomas Jefferson. When the people rise in masses in behalf of the Union and the liberties of their country, truly may it be said, the gates of hell shall not prevail against them. Abraham Lincoln. The tree of liberty must be refreshed from time to time with the blood of patriots and tyrants. It is its natural manure. Thomas Jefferson.